Okay guys, so I got a 2022 Civic. And I'm going to show you guys how to change the cabin air filter. Alright, so basically you just open the glove box right there. So there is a you're gonna have to unclip this by just pushing it that way. So just push it down with your thumb like that, just to release that. And then basically you just want to release this by pushing it that way for both sides. So I'm not gonna show you guys how to do that, but that's one side. I'm just gonna see the whole box comes out. So basically just pull it outward. See, just like that. All right, so they come off of this with this tab right there, right? All right, so now you have access to the cabin air filter. So you basically want to push this tab like that for both sides, like that, and you have the cabin filter there. Use your just pull it out just like that. And when you're putting the new one in, so basically have the airflow going down. So I'm gonna put it like that. Okay, so airflow going down. Put it in there. Alright, so sorry if you guys didn't see that. Just basically insert it in like that, and then put the cover back on. It says up. There you go, so that's in. And now I'm gonna try to put the glove box in. So you basically have to, let's see if I can show you. Alright, so here's the tab. So you basically have to lay it this way. So that's in. This is in. That's in. All I have to do now is just basically push it in just like that. So once you have it placed, so now you want to push the glove box in just like that, so it doesn't go anywhere. So this tabs actually keeps it from falling, right? And then the last step would be is to put this thing back. So that's gonna go into this, right? This arm is gonna go into that. So you basically want to like that. So and then push it up. Takes a lot of force. Takes some force, not a lot. Alright, so that's it. Alright guys, so that's how you change air cabin filter for 2022 Honda Civic. If you guys like this content, don't forget to comment, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell.